Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning back in. I'm Nick, also known as Ososik, and well, let's just get right to it. I'd like to introduce to you the new 2021 Honda Talon 1000R. If you've been watching this channel, you know I had the 2019 1000X. The X is like the little brother to the R. The R has the same great engine, the same great dual clutch transmission, which is also known as DCT, and it performs better in the open desert, which is pretty much what I'm going to be primarily doing. Now, one of the great features that I cannot wait to test out is the Fox live valve suspension. But be sure to keep watching this video because I'm going to be comparing the different specs between the X and the R throughout the entire video. So the only way to start comparing is just to jump in and go for a ride. Alright, so I didn't go too crazy with it. I just stayed within the little short course area that you see behind me. But this thing is so sick to drive. I mean, compared to the X, the R is just a completely different animal. Obviously, they each have their pros and cons for what type of things you're going to be doing. But as for me, the R makes the biggest difference, especially in the whip section with the Fox live valve suspension. So in sport mode, you can definitely feel the difference compared to when it's just in normal mode. Not to mention that launch control setting. So this thing is just sick. I'm so happy with this upgrade. And I still have the Vision wheels, which I'll be swapping over to this build, along with the side mirrors from Assault and their rear view mirror. So I'll be putting that on, and I have much more in store for this build. So be sure to subscribe and comment any suggestions or things that you would like to see go on this. Help me out here. As far as suspension and handling goes, I love it. This thing is sick. So if you haven't been in one, be sure to check it out. Hopefully they're not here for me. I don't think so because we're in the middle of nowhere. And again, life's so sick. Live it.